Hey guys, it's Matt with Railfan Depot. I'm up in Mason, Ohio, and I saw this GP-30 former Chessie system. Wanted to come check it out. Check this out. They got some pretty cool caboose over here too. These are all part of the LM&M Lebanon, Mason, and Monroe Railroad in Lebanon, Ohio. I think they'll be repainting the Chessie system GP-30 here in the next year or so. Can barely see the Chessie cat right there. There's another caboose on the other side here. And on the other side of the GP-30 Chessie system diesel, there is a Chessie system caboose. Look at that cat. That Conrail blue is beautiful. Very cool. Can't wait to see this restored. Thanks for watching, guys. I know it was a quick video. Just wanted to share this with you. If you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe, always appreciate you guys.